Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing absolutely fine. The date is 10th of August 2020. Time is 11:54 in the morning. Okay, let's start our trading. So this is our crude oil. Currently, if you see, I see that the crude is stuck in this zone. Okay, it's trying to break now. Okay, and I also observe this pattern. I don't know how significant it will act, okay, but I see this pattern, double top pattern, and higher chances of coming down, okay. But even the volumes are looking pretty good, but I'm not taking trades as of now, okay. Let the market stabilize, let the market show us the direction where it's headed, then we shall take any trade, okay. Until then we are waiting, okay. This is my Asta desktop trade application, and you can see that I haven't taken any trades yet. So as soon as I see an opportunity, I'll take a trade. Till then, stay tuned. So you can see, as I predicted, it came till here and now reversing. I've just made my entry. Okay, you can see my profit is around 400. I'm in the buy side. Let me show you my trade book, where exactly I've taken my trade. So you can see my trade is at 12:38 candle, buy position at 3128. Okay, so my buy position is at this candle. Okay, 3128. My stop loss is at 3112, and if you see, my target is at 3148. Okay, so currently the risk reward is at 1.25. The reason for my entry is simple. This was one breakout. I entered late, though I have entered at some good point, and also I see another breakout. Okay, if you see, I can see this breakout also. Okay, so let's see. Currently, if you see, my profit is around traders. Currently, if you see, my profit is around 600, 500. Okay, so the volatility has increased in the market. So you can see this point. Once it crosses this point, which is the high of the day, that is 3141, then I'll start trailing my stop loss. So let's see, stay tuned. You can see the volumes are increasing now, so I'll update you. Stay tuned. Traders, you can see it had almost come to my cost, and now you can see it's trying to go back again. Okay, it happens. Okay, market doesn't go in a straight way. It has to make some retracement and then continue its rally. Okay, so you can see a long wick, and now volume is also green, so it might reverse back from here and continue its rally. Once it breaks this point, then we will almost trail our stop loss to 3122. Okay, so let's see. Currently, if you see, my profit is around 400 rupees. Okay, so stay tuned, I'll update you. Traders, so you can see it has finally broken with good volume. So what I have done is, actually I have trailed my stop loss to 3122. Okay, so my risk is just 6 points and my target is of 20 points. You can see the risk reward is at 3.33. Currently, if you see my net position, it's not yet updated here, it's at 43, 42. Okay, so you can see currently my profit is at 1300. Okay, so let's see, it has to move up with good volumes now. It has made a high of 3144. My target is at 48. Okay, just 4 points away from the high. So let's see, I'll update you. Stay tuned. Traders, so facing rejection kind of thing. I see this trend line. Okay, so let's see If it comes down and breaks this line, then it's a problem for us. You can see it's facing rejection at this point. So let's see. Traders, so what I have done now is I have trailed my stop loss to 3030. Okay, so it's above my entry point. So now even if it retraces back from this point, we will exit with profit of 200. Okay, so this is a risk-free trade. Now I don't want to exit here, okay, because after exiting, if it goes and hits my target, then it will be really, it will be considered as a regret later. Okay, so I'll either exit at my target level or at my trail stop loss level, which is 3030. Okay, which is above cost. So even if it hits my stop loss now, I will exit with profit of 300 rupees, 200 rupees. Okay, so stay tuned. You can see rejections from this point. So let's see, if it comes back to this level, then it will easily hit my target. So stay tuned, I'll update you. Traders, so you can see it has faced rejection and it's moving up. So even now it's not showing good volumes. Okay, so what I've done is I have trailed my stop loss to 3.2. Okay, I've trailed it to 3.2. One takeaway from this video is that never exit your trade in the middle. Okay, no matter what you have to do is keep a fixed target and keep trailing your stop loss. Okay, if you are not confident about what is going to happen next, then just trail your stop loss and reduce your risk and safeguard the profit made from the market. Okay, so let's see, once it breaks this high of 3144, then it will easily hit my target. So hopefully it will hit my target. Stay tuned, I'll update you. Traders, so you can see it has broken the trend line. It also made a low of 36. Okay, my trail stop loss is at 32. I'm planning to trail it to 33, but let's see, if it goes back, then I'll trail it more. Okay, so it's coming with good volumes. Let's see. I also see this trend line. Okay, it has tested twice. Let's see, if it breaks this line, okay, then I will trail it more. Currently it is at 32. Stay tuned, I'll update you. Okay traders, I've trailed my stop loss to 33. Okay, so my stop loss is at 33. You can see it's coming back. So let's see, just 3 points away from my stop loss. Traders, you can see it had made a low of 3136, not once but twice. Okay, twice. My stop loss was just 3 points, my trail stop loss was just 3 points from it. So now you can see finally it has broke this trend line. Okay, so let's see, once it breaks the high of the day, then it will easily give my target, hopefully. Okay, it has already made the high. Now let's see, its next stop should be at 48 or maybe higher. When the volumes are increasing, 45, it has made a high of 45, 44, my target is at 48. Let me see if we can capture it in the recording. High of 45 currently. $46, $47. Okay. $47. Okay traders, so you can see it has finally hit our target. traders. So you can see I've successfully booked profit of 2000 for the day. Let me show you my trade book. I'm going to consider this one of my best trades because of the risk management. If you see my trade book, my entry was at 3128 and my exit was at 3148. Okay, 1240 was my entry and this is my exit. Okay, now it doesn't matter to me if it goes up or it goes down, my target is done. Okay, so I'm going to consider this one of my best trade because of the risk management. Okay, so always keep one thing in the mind in this business of trading. Okay, while you're trading, you should never ever exit in the middle of the trade. Okay, now I could have, after seeing this candle, okay, you see after this breakout, okay, I could have exited at this candle, but I also predicted that this could be a false breakout, hence I trailed my stop loss to 3133. Okay, now if I had exited at this point and then later see that it had hit my target, then that regret would be more painful than having your SL hit. Okay, so what you have to do if you see your trade going against you is simple. You just have to reduce your risk. Okay, reduce your risk. Here I had reduced my risk from 1616 points to a minimum profit of 500 rupees. Okay, that's how you need to reduce your risk and patiently wait. Okay, so if you like this video and found it informative, do give it a thumbs up and also feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more of my live trades and also some content on price action. So see you in my next live trading video.